Good morning, students. Today we will do some question related to the convert. We have to convert the frequency in less than type and to more than type. How we can convert that is very important part. And look at these type questions not given in NCERT book, and in board exam every year these type questions are given. So look here, we will do this part. Look here first question is convert given frequency distribution table into less than type CF table and more than type CF table. This table is given to you. That table is frequency distribution table, because here given frequency, this is F and this is the class interval is given to you. And look here, first is given 120 to 130 is 2 frequency, 130 to 140 is given 8 frequency, 140 to 150 is given 12, and 150 to 160 is given 20, and 160 to 170 given 8, and sum of these all is given 50. Okay, so look here how we can change. That is important part will be here. Look here all of you. Here this table is given to you, and this table we will change in less than type CF table. So look here, the height will be we will write, and the number of girls we will write. Number of girls will be like a CF will be here, and less than 130. Less than 130 we 2. So less than 30 means you can see in table. We will take the higher limit. We will take the higher limit. Higher limit means less than 130 we have 2 only. So we write here 2, and less than 140 means we have both. These terms are less than 140. So 8 plus 2 we will do. That will be 10 we will have. Now less than 150. Less than 150 means we have all these 3 portions are less than 150. So we will add these 10 plus 12 is 22 we will get. Okay, then next part is less than 160. Less than 160 means these all part will be, and 22 plus 20 we will do 20. This 22 plus 20 we will do, that we get 42. Okay, and same as it is less than 170. Less than 170 means these all are less than 170 always. So we will add 42 plus 8, last term we will add, we get 150. Means here also 150, and this total is also 150. Here meaning is that less than 170 means all are this less than 170. So we have in last less than 170 is 50 workers. So hope you understand this part. Similarly we do the next part. Look here all of you, this frequency distribution table is given to you, and this frequency distribution table you have to change in more than type CF table. More than type CF table means we will take here the lower limit we will take. Okay, so more than 120, more than 130, more than 140, more than 150, more than 160. So look here, you can check more than 160 is 8 only, so you can write here 8. Now more than 150 we will have these two, last two, so you will add 20 plus 8 is 28. Now more than 140 will be, more than 140 is 12 also we have to add, so we will add 12 and we get 40. 28 plus 12 is 40. Now more than 130, more than 130 we have to add 8 also, so 40 plus 8 is 48 we will have. Then more than 120 we will have add 2 also, so we get 50. Now more than 120 means this 50 we have. More than 120 means all the numbers are more than 120 always, so we have this value is 50. Look here, for this one more method we have, so that we will discuss here. Look here all of you, here the frequency table is given, and one more method is to find the more than type CF. So this more than, you can write here more than 120, more than 130, more than 140, more than 150, more than this you can write, and more than 120 we can write the total. This total you can write here. You can write more than 120 means all are more than 120, so you can write. Now more than 130, more than 130 means we not have these 2, so we subtract 2. Okay, then more than 140 we will not have 8 also, so 8 also we subtract, that we get 40. Then more than 150 means we have to remove this 12 also, so we remove 12 means you get 40 minus 12 is 28. Then more than 160 means you have to remove 20 we have to remove, so we subtract 20 means we get 8. Now you can check the more than 160 is 8, and here also we get 8, means our solution is correct. So I given you two method to find out the more than type CF table. So you can use any table, any format, any form, any method, and you can find this table. You will get the same answer, you can check. Okay, now look here. Here a different type questions we have. Convert given less than type CF table into frequency distribution table. Here less than type table is given to you, and you have to find the frequency distribution table. Opposite we have. Previous we find the frequency distribution table to less than type, but now we have less than type CF table to frequency distribution table. So how we can convert? You can check. Look here, less than 130, less than 140, less than 150, less than 160 and less than 170 given. What is the here gap is? Here gap is given to you 10. Here gap is 10, and less than means we use the higher limit. Less than means what we use? Higher limit. So here you can check 120 to 130 we have to write. Then next is 130 to 140, 140 to 150, 150 to 160, and 160 to 170 we write. So this type you can write the class intervals. Now after that you have to write the frequency. So look here, this less than 130 means less than 130 what we have? 2 you can write as it is. Now less than 140 is given 10, and here 130 to 140 we have to subtract these 2, so you get 8. Now less than 130 is given 22, and you have to find 140 to 150 means you have to subtract 10, so you will get 20. 2 minus 10 is 12. And then less than 160 is given 42, means you have to find out that 150 to 160, that you have to subtract 22. 22 is subtract, you get 20. Okay, then less than 170 means less than 170 means 160 to 170 you have this 42. So from 50 you have to subtract 42, you get 8 you get. For more than 120 is given 50, and you have to find 120 to 130 means you will subtract 50 minus 48, that you get 2. Now you find 130 to 140, that you do 48 minus 40, that you get 8. Now 140 to 150 you have to find, that you do 40 minus 28, that you get 12. And then you have to find out 150 to 160, that you do 28 minus 8, that you get 20. And last is more than 160 to 170 means here more than 160 we have 8 only, so you can write direct 8. So hope you understand this. So this type you can convert the table in the each format.